Super easy to make a light and nutritious double-boiled soup like this. I can see that the puffiness around my eye bags have definitely improved. So in the mornings when you wake up, you won't feel as sticky, you won't feel as groggy. So today I'm going to share with you guys activities I do in my life or I try to squeeze time for that helps with anti-aging. First and foremost, I believe that sleep is so important for every single person. It helps you rejuvenate. A good night's rest really makes a huge difference on your skin and on your body. You won't feel as sloggy, you won't feel as tired. First thing I have in my bedroom for the past God knows how many years is blackout curtain. I always have blackout curtains for my bedroom to make sure that I get good sleep, to make sure that my melatonin kicks in when I sleep and rest. So one thing that you guys should all consider is to have blackout curtains. The next thing that's very important is what bedding you're using, from your mattress to your bed sheets. It's all very important because you're in bed, 7, if you're lucky, 8 hours a day. So for me, I used to not pay so much attention to my bedding, but nowadays I'm super fussy. These days I like bedding, especially in summer, that's got a really nice, smooth and cool touch to your skin. So in Hong Kong, in summer, it's super humid. You might have the aircon on, but you still wake up feeling very sticky sometimes. At the moment, I'm loving my silk pillowcases. Oh my God, they are absolutely divine. These silk pillowcases are by Lilysilk, and Lilysilk is a brand that uses 100% mulberry silk, which is the most premium type of silk. You may think that silk is very hard to take care of, it's hard to wash. It isn't. It's super simple to wash. You can put it in the machine, warm water wash, and they turn out beautiful, and they're super silky. And the most important thing is it regulates your body temperature when you sleep. So in the mornings when you wake up, you won't feel as sticky, you won't feel as groggy. And because silk has hypoallergenic qualities, so it's really good for sensitive skin as well. There's less abrasion and friction against your face. So I heard about all these wonderful things that silk pillowcases do, but I never got to try one until Lilysilk sent me these silk pillowcases, and I've been loving them. So what I've realized is silk produces less friction against your skin and your hair. So if you wake up with super frizzy hair in the mornings, one of the issues may be because your pillow is causing a lot of friction while you sleep, and in the morning your hair may wake up like there's a lot of static, it's very messy. But after using the silk pillowcases, what I realized when I wake up in the mornings is that my hair feels a lot smoother, it's a little bit more tame, less frizzy. Another thing is your skin. Silk pillowcases do a lot of wonders to your skin. Have you ever woken up with a massive sleep mark on your face, like a big mark on your face, and it takes a couple of hours to get rid of, right? So if you're sleeping on one side of your face for more than 2 or 3 hours, you can imagine that your skin has been folded for 2 or 3 hours a day. That in turn creates more expression lines and more wrinkles on your face. If that happens every single day in the long run, it will ultimately cause more marks on your face, more wrinkles on your face, more expression lines on your face. So apart from all the anti-aging qualities or the goodness it does for your hair and your skin, I'm really enjoying these Lilysilk pillowcases. They are so comfortable to sleep on, and you'd think, you know, such a luxurious pillowcase would cost you a fortune. It only costs about 20 something US dollars, so it's quite affordable, and they're so easy to take care of as well. So I would definitely recommend you trying these if you want better quality sleep, especially during summer here in Hong Kong. I've enjoyed the pillowcases that Lilysilk sent to me so much. I've ended up getting a set of their PJs. These are silk PJs by Lilysilk as well, and they feel so nice and they're so cute and stylish, with a pair of shorts like this. So they're so comfortable and cute to wear. So I've really fallen in love with the whole silk thing, especially for sleeping. I love it. So Lilysilk also has a huge range of lovely silk blouses, camisoles, shirts, like this one I have here. It's one of my recent faves too. Another thing that I really enjoy using is pillow spray. I started using it over a year ago, and I started using another brand called Volturi. Now I've moved on to another brand. This is called The Works. This Works. It's made in UK, and it comes in a box of 3 sets. One's a sleep together calming spray, that's kind of like a relaxing spray, and there's another one that helps you get into your sleep a bit quicker, and there's another one that helps you restore your sleep patterns. So if you've ever been to like a spa and then you have that really lovely, relaxing, soothing scent before they start like the massage, it kind of gives you that kind of vibe when you use your pillow spray. So I really like it. So before I sleep, so I spray a few sprays on my pillow before I sleep, and then when I'm lying in bed, I just feel very calm and relaxed. I'm just really enjoying that really nice scent. So I think if you have trouble sleeping, or if you have trouble relaxing before sleeping, you should definitely try pillow spray as well. Another thing that I truly believe in is drinking nourishing soups. So if you have been watching my vlog or following me on social media, you would know that I am a huge advocate for drinking soups. Whatever soup it may be, in the past, say 10 years, I've always had soup every single day. I feel like it's super nourishing for my body. I just feel really refreshed, and I feel like I've done goodness to my body after drinking soup. And I do feel like it does a lot of goodness for your skin. It replenishes the moisture in your body and your skin. And obviously different Chinese soups have different healing aids. So today I'm going to be showing you a soup that's super simple to make. No matter how busy you are, I think it's something that you can try to do at home. It's made out of pig trotter tendons. It's super high in collagen, and it's great for relieving tired muscles or tired legs. It's not something you can easily purchase at the supermarket, but you can definitely ask your local butcher whether they have any pig trotter tendons for you. It's not too expensive, and it works similar to fish maw. Lean pork, abalone, and dried scallop. It's super easy to prepare. Just have the ingredients ready and just put it in to double boil, and you'll have really nice, very light, very flavorsome tasting soup within a matter of 1 or 2 hours. So you can prep this the night before and just reheat it the next morning. You can see that the soup is not oily at all, and it tastes absolutely divine. So you can see that the pork trotter tendons has a lot of white, fat-like looking thing attached to it. Once you double boil it, once it's cooked, it turns out clear. It's super easy to make a light and nutritious double boiled soup like this. I mean, if you make this part of your weekly routine, or maybe if you want to twice a week, it will do a lot of good for your health and also your skin. I think exercise is truly important for your body and also your skin. When it comes to anti-aging tips, I would definitely say that we do have to fit some sort of exercise into your daily routine. So I used to like going to the gym, and I've also done kickboxing and yoga, but yoga is something that I've continued doing in the past 4 years. I'm no yoga guru. I just purely enjoy having a nice stretch and a good sweat. Basically, I can't do any sort of strenuous type of exercises because I don't feel like my muscles are strong enough. I feel like that when I do a lot of cardio exercise, it really dries me out, and because when I look too dry, it makes me look older as well. So I've opted for yoga, and occasionally I do kickboxing just to work on my agility and for muscle training. Yoga is something that I've enjoyed, and recently I went to Elvani's yoga studio in Central. It's called Be Earth. It's such a nice and relaxing and zen environment, very modern. It's got really nice yoga room facilities. I had a really nice class there taught by Elva, and I think yoga is something that you can challenge yourself to. You don't really need to compare your standard or how far you can stretch with the person next to you, because every person has their own different strengths, and you can work with your own body weight and you can achieve the same results. So what I found with yoga is it gives my muscles and my limbs a good stretch, and it really relaxes my muscles and stretches out all the tightness from carrying kids and like running around looking after the babies. It also takes out all the tension and all the tightness from my shoulders and my arms. So these are the things I feel like I can achieve after doing yoga each time. So I sweat, so I detox. I also have a nice stretch, which means that I feel a lot lighter and a lot more refreshed. And then I'm also working on my core and specific parts of my body, for example, on my back muscles or my forearms. So for those of you who haven't started yoga, I'm no guru and I'm no yoga teacher, but it's just something I've really enjoyed doing in the past couple of years. As you've seen from my past vlogs, I like to give myself like a face massage every other day because it helps with the circulation of my skin. Obviously, routines like this at home can definitely help you defy age or slow down the process of aging. I truly believe that going to an actual beauty salon and getting some professional treatments done can really also help. So Perle Swiss is the beauty center that I'm the spokesperson of, and I haven't been there for 5 months due to COVID. So last week I had the chance to go. I went for a good couple of hours to enjoy some me time. So it's nice to go and have someone take care of things for you. All you have to do is lie down, tell them what your concerns are, and they will know exactly what to do to look after you and your skin. So that day I had a professional beauty treatment done using the Liftera machine, and I also had a face massage that was super enjoyable, and I finished it off with a nice hydrating mask. Every time after a facial that's professionally done, I feel like the results are quite astounding, especially around my eye area. So this is after the Liftera facial, 2 days, and I can see that the puffiness around my eye bags have definitely improved. So this is something that I can't take care of at home because the Liftera facial, or they call it the V-Lift, uses high frequency ultrasound, but it is not as strong as hifu. If you've done the hifu treatment, you know that it gives you a sort of like really deep, numb, tingling effect, and sometimes it could be a little bit painful, but this one is less painful. It still has pretty good results, so for someone that doesn't like pain like me, it's perfect. So Perle Swiss offers all sorts of treatments from your body to your face to postpartum, so if you're interested, you can also find their link down below. So these are my little anti-aging tips for everybody. It's not just one aspect of our life. It's a lot of different things that we have to do or make time for to make a difference. Not everything I've suggested is right for everybody, but I think there's definitely some tips there that you guys can have a look at and have a think to see whether that's suitable for you. You know, I think everyone can achieve a youthful appearance and a healthy looking energetic physique. It's just how much time you want to put into that. So if you feel like you've been lethargic in the past couple of years and you think it's time to make a difference, I hope my vlog today would have motivated you. Yes, you should get up and go and attempt to make a difference.